Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Entry question for SD or MM. What is the reconciliation account and advantages in S4? The first thing you try to understand SAP, if you know the concept of account determination, either SD side or if you are from MM side. So when you would like to post general ledger, first it will be posted into the sub ledger account. Sub ledger account means from there it will be posted into the your GL account. That means before posting directly into GL account, there is one more layer available. Technically, if you talk about that, okay. So that's why in interview someone ask like without a reconciliation account, can you able to post the values for your customer or vendor? It's not possible. It's the against the design actually of the standard. Okay. So let's try to get into this some details. What is the advantage, recon advantage? So if you ask an interview, you can tell that we can able to track the profit and loss of particular customer in a month or a day or a financial year or quarter for reporting, and you can able to track the outstanding against that particular customer. For example, so you have 1,000 customers. All 1,000 customer generated some 1 lakh invoices. So for each customer, we cannot able to track if directly post into the GL account. GL account is just like your current account. But so suppose current account, like bank current account or company current accounts, customers or employees or certain. Which employee or which customer or which vendor, how much the outstanding, how will it come to know that? It should be placed somewhere. That is all about outstanding. You will come to know outstanding against a particular customer. That is the advantage of a reconciliation account. Next is auditing purposes. Certain cases at the time of auditing also, they are asking how much this customer paid, what is his account books. There is something called sundry creditors and debitors. Okay, these are the two terms are there. Okay, probably you can check with finance. So like how much outstanding is pending against certain account receivable from customer or account payable from vendor actually. Okay. More importantly, it is important for reporting at a higher level management to know the what actually happening, how much we received, how much we supposed to pay against vendor, how much we supposed to receive against certain customer. Okay, it is a clear picture actually, and it is also able to track your down payments. For example, customer made a down payment out of 10,000 rupees worth of the stocks. He made a down payment of 1,000 euros or rupees or whatever you take the currency. How would I come to know? All these are the basic advantage. So if you see this here, FS000 is the transaction from FS side. They will create this GL accounts. Sorry, GL account of reconciliation account. Sorry, reconciliation account. Again, I don't want to confuse you. Reconciliation account is different from your GL account, but both are linked. XD03 or FD03, I didn't mention FD03 or else VD03, whatever you take. The company code data, the account receivables. That means reconciliation account is assigned. And XK03, this is for vendor. So let's try to check in SAP where exactly we can able to find it out. If you see, this is the account group, right? So if you come to reconciliation account, finance and accounting, global settings, for example, if you go to account receivable, okay, see customer accounts. In the similar way, you can able to find for your vendor accounts also below. I'm just showing for customers. So let's come here. So let's go to my account group. This is what we have created. So if you click the company code data, if you go to account management, there you can able to see this. It's a required entry. Out of all these fields, why it is required entry? Without this, you cannot able, you are going against the design for your postings actually. Okay. Now let's go to XT02 with an existing customer. If I go for this customer, for example, let me go for the company code data. Okay. Let's take this sales area, press enter. From here, if you see this company code data, see now the reconciliation account. Okay. So let's try to save this. Now it is not allowing. Okay. So someone made it created when it was optional. Actually, it's a practice system. So now it is mandatory. If you see this, without this, you cannot able to successful the your complete order to cash cycle till billing, and after that you will have some issues with postings. Actually you cannot able to report it. Okay, so that's the thing. Let me go to FS000. I can show you here. So probably if I can go here, this is the account. Go to the control data. This is for can able to understand. See, this account recon type is for customer, where you can able to create it your vendor. Okay, contract, account receivable, and assets under. So this is the for customers actually. So if you come here, you can able to find the group. Actually basically this is the one, G067. Okay, so now you can try to track this reconciliation account. All these are the fields are there. Okay, for you. So like this is from again finance side actually. So when you ask someone, you can tell that reconciliation account is the mandatory to push the values for either billing document by using VF01 or VF02. So what is the basic advantages? I already explained here. Okay. So sometimes you will get errors also. Again, is this probably let me find some case. I will explain you in future. Okay. So that's all for today. I think you have learned something useful. And my name is Jagdish Kumar. I'm real-time practitioner. If you're already if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And in what way you can help me out? So if you can see, like these are the total set of students and reviews. Okay, it is more than 300 plus reviews. So this is one of the my peak course. It is around 80 plus hours. It will be updated in future. If you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe all these courses at affordable rates in Udemy. And this is one of the peak course SD pricing concepts. If you already learned this course, better get into this course for advanced level. Don't worry about the ratings if you already know about my explanation. Okay, so you can see this 4.2, 4.5, that is new course. It is again 4.5 out of 5. If you are beginner for for S4 HANA learning, you better get into the course. And if you are getting master to write functional specification, if you are beginner, then better get into this course. SAP SD rebates. Okay, if you have any doubts on stock transfers, you can learn intercompany sales with full confidence. Beginners, being a beginner, if you have doubt, you go through this course. If you'd like to know S4 HANA, your credit management integration, this is the course. Like that, few set of courses available. All these links I'm providing below of this video. If you like my videos, you can subscribe. It's always welcome. Thank you very much. And I wish you all the best. So, like, more importantly, I would like to say, okay, one thing. So if someone asks, you better go through this video. You'll have some idea how to answer the question, being an SD consultant and MM consultant. Okay. So these are the things you have to tell them. This is the basic advantage. So the design won't tell you for account posting if you don't assign reconciliation account. That's why it's a mandatory field. Of course, someone can able to change it. It might be, I think I don't find out of my decade plus more than 10 years of experience without reconciliation account. Thank you very much. Have a great time. More importantly, Jai Hind. Thank you.